Circles are a commonly occurring shape in our world. Take a look at the picture of a clock that we have on the screen. We are also aware that the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Similarly, the area of a circle is equal to pi r square. So now what is the value of pi? We know that pi is equal to 22/7 in fraction form and in decimal form is equal to 3.14. But how did the mathematicians come up with these values? What was the process of finding this value? Let's find out today. Hi, this is Kena from innings2. In this activity, we are going to draw a couple of circles and we are going to find the ratio of the circumference to its corresponding diameter. So let's start. We can see that the circle that we have drawn has a diameter of 3.76.84 units and the corresponding circumference is 1183.88 units. Now, when we calculate the ratio of the circumference and the diameter, we get the value. We find out that the value is equal to 3.14. Now let's do the same for a couple more circles. Calculating the ratio for all of the drawn circles, we will be getting we can see that the value of C/D ratio is always going to be fixed. So we have found out how the value of pi came into being. For more videos like this, follow us on Instagram and check out our website books.innings2.com. Thank you.